Ever stumbled upon an awesome project on GitHub and wished you could tinker with it? Let's dive into how you can grab that code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting first, you'll need the GitHub repositories URL. Locate the repository you are interested in. As this will be your starting point, the URL can usually be found in the address bar of your browser or on the repository's main page. Copy that URL. You'll need it soon. Next, let's explore two main ways to get the code: cloning and downloading. Beginning with cloning, which creates a local copy of the entire repository on your computer. Look on the GitHub repository on the code page. It will have a green button. Clicking the code button reveals several options. You'll see different ways to copy the URL for cloning, usually options for HTTPS, SSH, or GitHub CLI, so copy it. Open your terminal or command prompt on your computer. Navigate to the directory where you want to keep the code. Using commands that change directories, then type a command for cloning, pasting the URL you copied in the previous step. Hit enter, and watch as the repository downloads. Once the cloning is complete, a new folder with the repository's name is created in your chosen directory. You can then open this folder using your code editor and start exploring and modifying the source code. Now, let's talk about directly downloading code. Returning to the GitHub repository's homepage again, click the code button, but this time choose download zip. Your browser will download a zip archive containing the repository's files. After downloading, locate the downloaded zip file in your downloads, unzip it, and you'll have a folder with all the files in the repository. At a specific point in time, whether you opt to clone the entire repository for future updates or download a static zip file, you can easily get code from GitHub. Now you have the ability to access, study, and modify the projects available on GitHub. Happy coding!